What do you do over in Pennsylvania?
Well, I'm the event coordinator for the Bird Gang.
For the Bird Gang.
Yes, we have a big Bird Gang.
You have big Bird Gang? What is that, on Sesame Street? What are you talking about?
Are you making fun?
If I'm making fun of the Bird Gang? Who? Me? Who? Me? I would never make fun of the Bird Gang. Okay, or else you guys would flock me up, wouldn't you? Are you on your phone, Joyce?
Now I'm telling my son who's the vice president.
Your son is a vice...
I am technically the bird mama.
Oh, you're the bird mama? Okay, well, leave your son alone. It's time he left the nest.